Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Injective Protocol with Fidelity detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Injective Protocol with Fidelity, begin by ensuring you have an account with Fidelity. Log into your Fidelity account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following Fidelity's account setup process. Once logged in, navigate to the research section on the Fidelity homepage. In the research section, search for Injective Protocol using their search bar. This should lead you to relevant information about the Injective Protocol. Review the available data, including the project's fundamentals, market performance, and recent news. Assess your investment goals and determine how much you want to invest in Injective Protocol. Once your research is complete, head to the trade section of your Fidelity account. Select the option to buy cryptocurrency, ensuring that Injective Protocol is available on the platform. Input the amount of Injective Protocol tokens you want to purchase. Review the details of your order to ensure accuracy. If satisfied, execute the purchase by clicking on the Confirm button. Monitor your investment regularly through the Fidelity platform. Stay updated with news related to Injective Protocol and the overall crypto market. Consider setting alerts for significant price movements or news updates. Reassess your investment strategy periodically to align with market changes or personal financial goals. If needed, consult Fidelity's financial advisory services for guidance. This approach will help you navigate investing in Injective Protocol via Fidelity effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.